In this guide, I'm going to show you how to reduce input lag on your PlayStation Portal. Now, when you remotely connect to your PS5 and it boots up from rest mode, a lot of users have noted that they experience a lot of input lag. However, a fix to this is to press the PlayStation button on your Portal when you're connected to your PS5, and you want to remotely restart your PS5 from your PlayStation Portal. Now, when you do this, you are going to be disconnected from your PS5, and you will have to reconnect to it. But there have been users online who have reported they've seen an improvement in the input lag once reconnecting to it. Now, some other things you can do in order to reduce the input lag is to use a wired connection on your PS5 with your home network, as that's always going to provide a more fast, stable internet. And some other big things you could do would include upgrading your router to get better Wi-Fi if you aren't going to go the wired route, as well as upgrading your internet to get faster download and upload speeds. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.